computer. Kulai, are you understanding?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, I will show the visual inspection. This is kurtosis. It's a negative positive. It's a negative kurtosis. Okay, or else right side kurtosis, right skewed. If your visually, if the data is looks like this, there may be chance to happening outliers keep on. In that case, one technique is not sufficient. Go with the multiple techniques: skewness, kurtosis, box plot, etc., etc. If the skewness is plus or minus 0.80, below is a good data, above is a bad data. If the value showing is above, then remove the extreme plus or minus 2 data, because it will happen because your data is following one side. If your data, this is right skewed, is like this, then plus 2 values keep on generating. When can you stop? Where can you stop? Whenever my box plot is following no outliers, your kurtosis is plus or minus 8.0 within, and you can believe. Okay. If your data looks like this, no chance to repeat Z scores in your data. That is very simple. Everybody knows it. Okay now. Are you understanding these key points, Kulai? Is it clear?
Sir, can you repeat that plus
Plus 2, minus 2, sir.
removing plus 2 minus 2 symbol, sir?
Why this plus or minus 2? This is a sigma. 2 sigma means 95% accuracy. This data, as per the normal distribution or density plot and histogram or standardized plot, this is the standard deviation. Why we are saying standardized plot? It's a standard deviation. 2 standard deviation means 95% of the accuracy. The central is 0. This is minus 1. This is minus 2, minus 3, plus 1, 2, 3. By default, 95% accuracy to follow. This is rejecting area basically. This is also outlier. With which percentage? 90.
95.
What is the value?
2.
Plus 2 plus or minus
Minus.
2. So why we are considering this plus or minus 2 means it's a standard rule. I will explain why the standard rule. Okay, now why the histogram I never started. Just I'm resolving one, starting one case study. How to do the data validation as per the layman language. So as a practical way, how to do the data validation. But theoretically, I will go for histogram. Then clearly you can understand. See here, why we are following histogram, why this plus or minus 2 value. You take any data. How can you say this data is following normality? How can you say this data is following proper validation? Yesterday I showed one article. How can you decide your data is violating normality? Okay, abnormality is dangerous. Normality is, that name is called normality. So this graph is showing. So that is the reason for generating histogram. But why I'm saying it's a skewness? Because one side. One side only data is available. Another side only data is available. When this side is happening, if the more less values are available, this graph, more higher values, sorry, um, highest values is less, least values is high. Example, highest value 32 lakhs, but 40 records. Low values maybe 700, but 500 times the lower values are dominating. But this side, highest values are 70, 700. Sorry, highest values, same 32 lakhs, just come in. 32 lakhs, but 500 times. Least values 400, but 40 times. Then this side graph will come. But only one side only, na? One side only. So either left skewed or right skewed. If the data is showing one side, either left skewed or right skewed. If it's following bell shape, it's a good data. Okay, na? See, now this is left skewed data. Right?
So by seeing these kind of histograms, so we can go for
Skewness or curses. Now what I will do, I will take a complete whole data. I will ask the questions each and every person. You decide it now. The computator 2020 computator tool, rattle tool I'm going to show. In data science, how much subject you know, I'm going to discuss it right now. Kamini, you can go for mute, and Srikanth, please connect with me. Can you unmute?
Yes, sir.
Srikanth, is it audible? And here, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I am able to hear you.
So I need how I am presenting, reply also should be like that. Open the R. I will go for latest tool. Yesterday only I installed. R 4.3. Okay. R is a rattle. First install the package, then load the package. Already yesterday installed. Then load it. Rattle. It's a powerful snake, like a python. That's why they named rattle. Okay, na? Srikanth, can you read this one?
Rattle is a free graphical user interface for data science developed using R. R is a
Little
free,
loudly, please. Loudly.
Yeah.
Loudly.
R is a free graphical user interface for data science developed using R.
Huh?
R is a free software environment for statistical computing, graphics, machine learning, and artificial intelligence.
Okay.
Together, Rattle and R provide a sophisticated environment for data science, statistical analysis, and data visualization.
That's it. I'm not saying this word. The tool is saying na. That's why IIMs are selecting these tools. But job requirements also very less.
Okay.
Yes, why the jobs are very less? It is a very new tool. IIM started. Whoever studying in IIMs, they're managers. They're managers. The next level, when they're going to publish the new job opportunities, then they're adding these names. There's a open trend. Open. So one more good news or bad news. Next week onwards, I'm going to teach for the Great Lakes.
Oh, congrats, sir.
They are charging, you know how much. Okay, na? Except database handling, everything I'm handling. um, virtual. They're asking to online. They're asking to join full time with a 1.2 crores package. But I said no. I will work for freelancing because reach out is my food and bread and butter. I don't want to leave this one. So that is a story because update skills. Why I'm saying always update. How we are updating your mobiles always. Career, life subject also how to update. This is the updated tool. Okay, 2.0 version. Come to here. Desktop, data science, case study, bank data, data set. Take the data, execute it. No need to go for any rocket science technology for this. I will show the climax what we are going to do. So whatever the syllabus is available in universal, I will show the syllabus here. This is called uh, data mining crisp. Okay, DMCRISP. Interview first question is this one. If you go for any interview, they will ask, tell me about data mining crisp. You have to say SEMMA techniques. SEMMA. SEMMA. Verizon company, Qualcomm company, or any top company, the senior managers ask such kind of questions. This is the process. Data mining crisp, it's called. See, data mining crisp. The process is called everywhere. This is the same process. See, understand the business, understand the data, prepare the data, model the data, evaluate the data, deploy the data, and give the feedback. It is a data science process. The olden language is a CRISP model, but the technique is called SEMMA, SEMMA. So each and every keyword, please remember. The SEMMA is a DM, data mining. Okay, data management projects methodology. CRISP SEMMA, SEMMA methodologies. What is the SEMMA meaning? Your entire course following the SEMMA and CRISP DM only. SEMMA means SEMMA. Please note down this, familiar with this one. S means a sample. Okay. So for doing your implementation with the machine learning or any programming tools, first we need is S, sample, not a P. P is a population. S is a sample. Subset of the population is a sample. So randomly how to take it. Which random? Different kind of random techniques. So whatever I selected in this R, that is a sample data. This is called data. Yes. Once you have a sample data, what is the next process? The next process, explore. It is called EDA, exploratory. So in this phase, covers understanding how the data is discovering anticipated and unanticipated relationship between the variables and also abnormalities and different visualization, summarization techniques. It's called data exploration. Based on the exploration, you can do the modification. So the modification process containing selection, creating, transforming variables to preparing the model building. Once this process is done, then go for model. The modeling is applying various models techniques for predicting something. Then assess, deploy. The same process is available here. Check it. Access the data, explore the data, transform the data. After testing while you're transforming, then model the data. Cluster association model is there. Model is a supervised learning. Cluster is a unsupervised learning. Association is semi-supervised learning. All learnings are there. Right, Srikanth?
Yes, sir.
This cluster technique is coming under unsupervised. Association mining is coming under reinforcement. Modeling is coming under
Supervisor.
supervised learning. For reaching these 3 levels, you have to complete transformation before testing, before exploratory. In this exploratory, summary is there. What we are doing from the last 5 days, summarization. Under the summarization, describe basics, curtosis, skewness, missing values, etc., etc. Now, selected summary, execute it, you see what it's displaying, whether you know it or not, decide it. The first variable integer, sex has 2 categories. It's a nominal data, ordinal data, such kind of things. Region is 8 categories. Then this is classification data or nominal data or ordinal data. Am I right? This is the rest of data is a numerical data. In this numerical data, 5-number summary is given. That's why we are saying it's a summary. In Excel sheet also, I told it's very important techniques. 5-number summary, median, mode. It's a Q1, Q2, Q3. It's the most important. This is a Q0. This is a Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Every variable by default, it's given 5-number summary. But we never started 5-number summary initially. After descriptive, central tendency dispersal, we started. For every variable, it's displayed. Okay, use 1 or 2 commands in R, it will give. Even Python also the same story. Compared to this, Python is dead easy. Just apply describe, you will get everything. Describe function, just to describe function, 1 statement is enough to display the every result. Okay, now we know the summary. Come to the describe. Why I'm teaching all these techniques for the machine learning, you can understand. If you're believing this tool, you can believe me. See, the describe is saying number of observations, missing data, mean, grand mean, and 5 percentile, 10 percentile, 95 percentile. Only few things we know, other things we doesn't know. For all the variables, it's a given. Okay. Describe. Come to basis. The first, this is the variable. In this variable, number of observations, number of NS, minimum, we know, maximum, we know, Q1, quartile, 5-number summary not started, Q3, mean, we know, median, we know, sum, we know, standard error mean, to be discussed, upper mean, lower mean, variance, skewness, deviation, skewness, curtosis. Now tell me, based on the skewness, Srikanth, this is the good variable or bad variable?
This is good variable.
This is a good variable. Because the skewness is 0.80 less than. You please remember this variable. Cash withdrawal, CASHWTN. Okay, na? So,
based on skewness, can we say it is left skew or right?
definitely. Minus means negative.
Right.
Minus means left skewed. Plus means right skewed. Okay, na? So now I'm selecting skewness for all the data. This variable in this selection, honestly, how many good variables are there, Srikanth? Srikanth, give me
Yes,
answer.
sir. Yeah. This cache CRN is a good variable.
Uh-huh. This variable.
This variable is a good variable. Cache withdrawn is a good variable.
The worst variable,
Yeah. Cache.
C,
DLN.
last DLN, DLT. This is the worst variables based on yesterday discussion. Okay, now. So now the summary, nothing is there for showing. Go for what?
Distribution.
What is available? Box plot. DLN,
DLT, we thought they are the worst variable.
these two variables are bad variables. At the same time, 1, 3, 4, 5. I said first variable, second variable, third variable, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to select 6 variables. First 2 variables are bad. Third one, sixth one is a third one, fifth one is a good variable. Okay. 6 variable. See, don't see this number 3, 4, 5 because the remaining previous one is ID numbers and serial numbers. 1, 2. Observation, serial number. Your system by default is recognized it's an identity variable. On what basis? Because it is unique values. If it is unique value, system is automatically find out or else ignore it. You can choose this option. Now, in exploration, distribution, first 6 variables selected. As for your knowledge, first and second is a bad variables. Fifth variable is a good variable. Seventh is good as per this serial numbers. Can I run this? Run it. You decide it now. As per the scenario, third one is what?
Good.
Good variable.
Good variable.
Yes.
First 2 is worst variables. Right? This is skewness is of 0.5. But the last one is 0.7 something. Just close. So that's why little outliers are there. So in these variables, how many variables? Repairing variables. Maybe first 2 variables, very dangerous variables.
Should be repaired.
Yes, should be repaired. But remaining variables, maybe skewness is saying it's good. Visually, it's showing some outliers. Still, I'm not getting much clarity. Go for histogram. Another test. Okay, na? Another test. Now see how the first 2 variables are behaving. Are you getting how, if I give the data, how to resolve it? The first 2 variables are worst variables. Okay. So what I'm doing, I'm going to take sex variable. Sex is a male and female, which means the cash withdrawal, males can deposit, females can deposit. Cash credits, males can deposit, females also can deposit. Execute it. You see how it is displaying 2 colors. Here both are showing same. Here also both are saying same. Your data is behaving skewed. Okay. You know how much time it will take for doing in Python or any programming? Take more time. You do deployments while you're doing the things. But who will give the job for employment? What they will see? I will give problem. When can you give the solution? Come on. Sir, I'm a funda, I'm a developer, I'm a certified. I will do with the coding. Means if you're doing project for IPL match. So you are the scientist, some panda programmer are the scientist. You are the smart scientist, he is the programming scientist. He is having deep level coding skills. Okay, the developer is saying, sir, I need a 30 days time. You are saying it's 1 day time. Who will go? Babu, if I go for 30 days, IPL will complete, second IPL will come. You develop the project for the second IPL, not this IPL. The producer needs always quick service, smart service. Of course, both we need. Okay, you see now, gender. First variable, in males all outliers, in females all outliers. Second variable also all outliers. Third variable also all outliers. See, in third variable, no outliers. In fourth variable, less outliers in females, more outliers in males, but overall outliers are there. So now as a scientist, you do the analysis for, you do the cleaning for males as well as females, like you can do it. It is all, it's not a rule, it's ideas. You take the business data, make a filters, separate the males data, you do the EDA, separate the females data, do the EDA, identify, combine it. All the real-time works happenings like this. Okay, you should not do, there is outliers, remove it. It's not a process. So study is important on this data. At the same time, I will go for regional wise outliers of all the variables. You see how effectively the system is giving result. So now just for exploring the more and more, I will go for these two variables. Then visually it's easy to display. Okay na? Now guys, Srikanth, third variable, the skewness is good, but outliers are there. East Bohemia outliers are there? No. West
No.
Bohemia outliers are there?
No.
But overall outliers are there. Overall you are removing, or based on this classification you are removing? Yes, because in North Bohemia more people are there. South Moravia more outliers are there. More outliers means extreme customers. So in Hyderabad you are giving personal loans. Gachibowli area people, high-tech city area people, old city people, slum area people, Asifa, it's a different areas. Whoever more income people, stability job people, recovery is more. But whoever no proper income, slum areas and some community basis areas, no recovery. Can you give the loan for the next time?
No.
So how can I combine all the customers together? I want to give Adikar promo picture in Hyderabad. Which area you are choosing? Based on income area. Jubilee Hills people more income. Gachibowli area people is more income. Okay, I can identify some areas to promote my promo pictures, not for all areas. Okay, then why should I combine why should I give TV advertisements in Adikar? That is the reason for Adikar and Benchikar, you can't see the advertisements in local TV channels. But you can see the advertisements in planes and some prime areas, some big holdings, because particular clustering people you are targeting. So here also overall outliers are there, but you should not consider overall outliers. Example, this is the data. It is overall data. Now cluster the data, separate the data, then find out the outliers, separate the outliers, combine it again, then do it again. That is the best process. So for that, we need a cross tabulations. We need a cross tabulations that we will discuss next level. So now these two variables are good variable but it's showing outlier, not all the area. Yes. Now, summary. This is good, but it's showing as outliers. Cash credit, clearly outliers are available. Cash credits, clearly outliers are available. So now, Explorer, distribution, cash credit, I'm not choosing any group variable.
Okay.
Execute it. Some outliers are there. Okay. Execute by gender. More outliers are males, less outliers are females, but overall outliers are there. Got it? So without visual, how can you do the validation? How can you do the validation? So that's one of the key point. Okay. This is skewness is more. Client is asking, please don't remove these variables. Observations. What can do? I can go for a transformation. Yesterday I showed now, when the variable is violating normality, just make a transformation. That article title is a transformation article. Come to the transformation. Why the transformation? Again, officially, I'm not starting the transformation just for sake of showing answer for building before building model, what to do, what not to do. I'm showing it right now. Right, Srikant? So
Yes, sir.
I'm not explaining why the transformation, because still I'm into the mean and deviations only. How to build a model, before building model, what to do? Normality. Why? For making proper prediction. What is the predictions? Identify unknown behaviors. So for that, data must be normal, not abnormal. Whatever the variable is selected, it's abnormal variable. Which variable? Cash credit variable. Select like this. Go for log 10. Select, go for log 10. Execute it. Come to the data. Log 10 transformed variable created.
Okay.
Okay, now I can come back. I can redo the analysis. Redo the analysis for which variable? Right. Take a skewness, all the variables, execute it. Cash credits is showing minus cash credit. It is maybe I selected wrong variable. This is the variable, right? Transform log cash credit log cash credit log. Okay. Now keep the variables. Summary, skewness, execute it. Skewness, cash credit is minus 1.22. Cash credit is 1. You see, the complete skewness is different. But here, after transformation, it's exceeded now. Then come to the distribution, box plot for cash credit, These two variables. Both are the same variable. The original data is showing upper. After transformation, it's showing lower. That is the reason minus and plus. Still not changes, na? Not happens, na? This transformation is not worked out. Then go for median kind of transformation. I will explain when to choose median, scaling, log, and other variables. Okay, same variable, cash credit, selecting, because the package is not available. Cash credit, I'm going to select with a different transformation. Okay. Two variables. Go back, Explorer, distribution, 1, 2, 3, box plot. Oh, sorry, with gender, what happens now? First variable, sorry, this is right, correct variable selected correctly. Cash credit,
No, it seems
this is a different variable,
this is CRT, CRTD.
right? And cash credit, right? Execute it. Again, go to the distribution.
CRT, 6.
Cash credit, median, execute. Yes, it is there. One is log 10 method, another one is median method, another one is original variable. Summary, distribution, cash credit, median transformation,
R10.
log 10 transformation, and original variable. Select it. Still there is no changes. After transformation also, the data is not improved. You then remove it. So we should not remove first step when we have the outliers. The new concept of today, identify some outliers, try to transform it. Transformation is bypass surgery. If it is updating, it's okay. If it is not updating, leave it. But I'm doing another experiment for another variable right now. See, first two variables, now unselect, unselect. The first two variables I'm going to select. How the first two variables are behaving?
Lot of outliers.
Back data. So clearly I can go for transformation with the log of the first these two variables, right? Again, exploratory distribution, the first two variables, original variables, transformed variables, run it, check it. Run it, check it. The first two variables, when I transformed, it's updated. If you're asking why it is, if you're asking, sir, that data has not happened changes, this data is happens. Why it is means No answer. That is a mathematics statistics. It's a data is a, like a anatomy body. Nobody knows what happens. It's all the numerical magics. Okay. In previous, you are the Venkatesh is a good person, but two, three minus points are there. I'm unable to find out the minuses. Some X person is there. He has 90% of the minus weak points. Easily I can guess his weakness. But you are almost are good, but one or two outliers are there. It's not a traceable outliers. But somebody is there, 90% outliers are there. Easily I can trace out it. So easily I can transform it. If he's a bad person, I can make a good person. If he's a good person, I can make a bad person. I can't say whether it's a good or bad person. I can't trace out. That is what happening for this data and that data. Now, for building a model, which data you're using? The last data. The last data. Okay, we created a box plot. So leave the box plot and create a histogram for same variables. How the first variable? Too much skewed. How the second variable? Too much skewed. How the next variable? Better. How the next variable? Better. Before doing the analysis, on what basis you told this is the bad data? Based on the histogram, based on the box plot, based on the skewness, and based on other parameters, you declare it's a bad data. Whenever you declare bad data, you're starting repairing. Got it? So if I want to go for the modeling, linear, I'm selecting, execute it. See, when I am executing the linear model, without selecting by me, system automatically ignored these variables. Why? Because you created alternative variable, which is a good variable. That's a selected variables. Now this is the inputs, not the previous one. Because you transformed. Why you transformed? By day, you can understand. So why I'm just given hint for you, there is a transformations in future. But to see the syllabus scenario, how we are following, you can able to understand. See, still we are into this area only. We discussed these 2 points. The key point and important of the skewness and kurtosis in modeling. Yesterday I showed Python result. Skewness, kurtosis is there. This is the story. That is a modeling estimations. This is the summary estimations. In summary data, we are using skewness, kurtosis for deciding good or bad. In modeling also, you are using skewness, kurtosis for deciding good or bad. So you must know what is a skewness. You must know what is a skewness. Okay. See, now we discuss sometimes these plots also, just we are touching points. It's not a bits and pieces, first standard deviation, second variance, third this one. Overall, after 10 days, if you're realizing, if you are refer your syllabus, you can finish all the techniques. So sampling, probabilities, then transformation is available in this part. So why I went to 8th chapter, you only raising question. Venkat, this variable is of more outliers, what to do? I can say remove it. Somebody can ask, sir, removing is a solution. Then I can transform it. Then what is a transformation? Bypass surgery. Transforming your data into good data. But it's the 8th chapter. Okay, now you know something is there in the 8th chapter. When we are doing transformation, if the model is not fitting, obviously you are going for a transformation. If the model is not fitting, if any error is there, again you are going to the back and doing transformation. Okay, now I'm closing this one. Whatever we discussed from the last 5 days in data science tool, clearly it is available. That is the reason for using these techniques. Mrutyunjay, yesterday we discussed, right? Sir, this is the statistics. I told you it's statistics, but we are saying it's analytics. Because in data science, machine learning models, it is there. All are available. Bar charts, summary, skewness, kurtosis. Okay, come to the basis. In basis, mean, median, mode, trimmed mean, upper mean, lower mean. That is what we specified now. All are available. Got it? So now I'm closing this. I'm closing all. Come back to SPSS. Come back to SPSS. So now 25% subject we have. If I give this data, how can you do data validation? You're doing data validation right now. Analyze, descriptive, exploitation. At a time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14 variables. Select. Same, whatever I did in R, I'm going to do the same thing in SPSS. Plots, histogram. I never selecting this normality plot. It's more confusing. First, let me finish this, then I will come back to this one. Even stem and leaf is also not touching it right now. I will come back. I need only plots. Sorry, I need both plots and statistics. Guys, the first variable skewness is how much? No need to see the result. It's a bad data. Second variable, how many? Bad data. Third variable, 0.63. It's good data. Next variable, skewness, one more. Little. It's not acceptable, but you have to do some repairs. Then withdrawal. Yes.
Good.
This is enough not to decide. At the same time, go for first data. That's why your data is very bad. It's a purely skewed data.
Skewed.
It's exceeded plus or minus 0.280. It is exceeded plus or minus 0.80. Outliers. Second data also exceeded. That's why outliers. Third data close. That's why no outliers. Fourth data, you can't determine, you can't expect exactly. This picture is not giving clarity. Then what to do? Go with skewness. But box plot is saying some outliers. Repair it. This is what? I don't want to show the next graph. This is good data or bad data? It's good. It's somewhat better na compared to all. That's why no outliers. That's why no outliers.
Very less of that.
Less outliers. Because it's following almost all distribution. What about this? It's clear skewed. Still, it's definitely it's very bad data. It's very, very bad data. Okay. It is a clear skewed data. Outliers. It is skewed data. Outliers. Skewed data is there, even the outliers are there. If you are removing outliers, again, outliers will come because it's a skewed data. So that's why check the box plot, check the skewness. If the values are plus or minus 0.80, stop it. Able to understand? It's spreading. That's why no outliers. Now I'm closing this. Right, Rio? Ah, closing this. I will go for case study. The first case study with cholesterol case study, I'm going to do with SPSS. I given this case study to you, but I will do behalf of you. But in SPSS, but do it in Excel. Hey, Rio. Ah. Charges. Chinne, ఇది going to bite with the Rio, please go. Now this is the data. Same story. I'm going to repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Plot both statistics and plot. Skewness is how much? 0.01. No skewness, which means histogram. This one, very less. It is also -2. It is also -4. It is also 0. Not even 0.1, 0.45. 0.4. 0.1. Almost all, not even touching to 0.80. How the graph is displaying? Bell shape. Almost all. Everything is a 0.56, means your data is looks like this. No outliers. Looks like this. No outliers. No outliers. No outliers. Clear data. If everything is clear, then what we are doing? Work is easy. So the data is always previous data type only. Now, as usual, manipulation. How I did a manipulation previously? I'm going to do the same manipulation. Explore it, run it, run it. First variable skewness 1.90. By seeing this table, can you accept or are you accepting or rejecting? You have to do some repairs now. Okay, I don't know this curtaces. At least go for histogram. First histogram. It is a side. Okay. So then what to do? Repair, Z-score, transformation, etc. Got it? Analyze, descriptive, save as, run it, go back. System identified. If it's user friendly, you can do it. If it is a Python tool, how can you do it? Load the Z-score package, then do it. Yes. So day by day, the tools are becoming very easy, but the subject is still constant. The example Rattle I showed, Python you are seeing, both are easy tools, but algorithm is not changing from the last 100 years. Got it? So that's the reason for discussing more and more things. Now, why companies are paying large salaries for uh, data scientists? This is the data, EDA. You are saying it's good. So you are suggesting I'm going for the building model because the data is a absolutely no deviations, no much variations. I can use this data for a business implementation. For any decision, you can take it. Now, decimal is missed here. You are the client, I'm the analyst. Skewness is 22. Box plot is out. Histogram. Box plot is out. Then the scientist is raising question. Sir, this data is not normal. This data is not a good data. I'm raising question. That's why they're paying me. Sir, how can you say that's good data? Yes, I'm a doctor. You are the patient. No need to explain how I'm doing operation. If even I'm explaining, you can't understand. If you're a doctor, I can explain you. But every patient is not a doctor, na? So they can't understand. So you keep it in your mind. Client never understands your terminology. You try to make it to common sense. So you can say, sir, this data is a abnormal data because all human body, the human body fat will be 20, 21 approximately. But as per the skewness, some extreme data is there. Extreme data means human body fat is 20, but it is a more than my EDA is saying, maximum value 610, maximum value 610. Here it is there. Your answer should be, this is not outlier data. You don't use that one. Sir, the human value is maximum 21, but 610 is there. Either data entry did a mistake, 6.10 is he missed decimal, or else elephant body fat you unnecessarily entered in human body fat. Elephant body fat table also inside, but unfortunately you entered in this table. There are two problems now. How do I know that? Just because of the statistics. Otherwise, you can't. Okay, na? So this is the data. Analyze. We don't know what is the modeling, but I'm using modeling at right now. I'm using modeling at right now. So Srikanth, you know, R is very less here. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
R is 3.4. If you doesn't know the proper 80% of the validation techniques, you're trying to make this 36% into the 46 or 56. Okay. If you know the standing foundation with deep level knowledge, not only box plot and other things, I can trace out this value. Okay, na? I can trace out this value. Tell me what is the, figure out what is the values here. Because I know what I cheated.
0.694.
Where is the 3? Where is the 6? Where is the 14? Where is the 104? Right. So, my dear friends and students and aspirants, the mission is doing automation. If human is not involving, you can't build a model. The mission, if you are giving this data to the mission is eliminating. Eliminating is not solution now. Eliminating is not solution. That example, Srikanth, very seriously, we are following this one. I'm doing machine learning. Why machine learning is great or human is great? Human is great. Because the scientist is saying This is not a 6 not 10. The 6 not 10 means it will be elephant body fat, not a human body fat. But your system is predicting elephant body fat? No. At the same time, it may be 6.10 also. Your system is doing like that. How system knows? It can be 61, it can be 0.61, it can be 610, it can be, if I take a decimals, your system can take 61 lakhs, your system can take 6.1, your system can take 610, your system can take 6,000, 60,000, 6 lakhs, 60 lakhs, 6 crores. No limitation because you're depending on the system. But you're stressing it's a not machine mistake, it's a human mistake. It is not a 610, it is 610. So your system is blindly removing that one because it's outlier. If it is a 610, system is removing, but removing is not a solution. Human involvement also important, but the human is involving. It's not a 610. If it's a 6, okay, 610. Your entry original data is saying it's 610. What is your R square? 0.12. 34% relation. 17% error. 14 points is a significant. Okay na? .10 because I inquired data, I did a mistake. Removing also okay. 694, close to 70. It's great, na?
Yeah.
601, 46 to 61. Large difference is there, na? Got it? The human is analyzed. The human analyzed 1450 records. Got it? Total data size is 1400 records. If you are believing machine learning, it is a removing. The result is 100. Your machine is given 100, but human is given 101. Tell me who is the great? Your machine did 999. I myself did 1000 because one record I not removed, adjusted. Your system, your machine is removed that one. See the example how the machine learning, why data scientist great, not machine learning. Okay, you have a disease. Okay, you have a disease. Yes, I can't do any service. This is all I can do. Go for Smasana Vatika. It's not a solution. Trace out the problem, repair the problem, give the life. The machine is did for 999 records. I did for 1000 records. Difference you can see clearly. So that's why human is giving direction to the system. Right. So now I'm removing this outliers also. Just I'm replacing some values because previous outliers are there now. This is 6.10. Sorry, 601. Still 601. 3.7. 17. Now I removed the previous outliers. Then previous outliers I removed because it's a misplaced by someone. But this record I replaced. 2 actions I did, Mrutyunjay. One is removed, another one is modified. See the same data, 2 actions, but your system will remove 610 as well as previous one also. Total 10 records it will remove. Am I right? 10 records it will remove. So what I concluded, this is the elephant body fat unnecessarily added here, or data entry person missed the decimal point, but system doesn't know. Okay, outlier, chalo, outlier, that's it. So now your data is very clear. After clear the every data, when I did, my R is 85. My ANOVA is
297.
297. You don't know the regression model. You don't know what is a machine learning model, but you conveyed or not, your understanding or not, based on the values. What is that? It's a secondary, Srikant. 14, 17, 100, 101, 297. Which is the great among all this?
297.
297. But why I removed, I given justification. If it is another justification, if it is another value, go for other justification. But data scientists raise the questions regarding these values. Directly believing the machine is not a great opportunity. Got it? So you have to do cleaning like this. So find out the outliers. If it's repair it. It is not acceptable, remove it. If it is unnecessary data, remove it. That is what happens for the bank data. Bank data, one variable is optimized. Another two variables are not optimized. If it's not optimized, my model will be low. Why should I keep? Drop it. So no standard rules for this one. Depends upon the situations and the requirements you have to act.
Transformation automate చేస్తే మరి machine correct value system.
Istadi. But transformation, which transform? Previously, log is working for some data, SQRT working for some other data. That's why automation is not always preferable. Only some automations. Driverless calls, artificial intelligence. You can make a driverless car, but for whom? That car is for human. Ultimately, human is different. But human you can't make automation now. End of the day, human 360 degrees data is required for me. You can't make everything automation. Car you can make automation by image, such kind of things. In that car, passenger is there. The passenger you can't make automation. Both are required. Both combinations are required. So again, go back. I'm giving final conclusion. ఏంటి ఎంత సోది అవసరమో అనిపించవచ్చు ఒకసారి. ఇట్స్ నెసెసరీ బికాస్ any project implementation, success or failure is depends upon your data quality. You come down, you read what the second model is saying. Preparation and imputation. 80% of time taken for analysis project is spending for data preparation and imputation. This short module is very powerful. Very powerful. Okay? 80% why they are saying, you can understand. I will explain why the 80%, 70% is coming days, but validation is most important. So now what we discussed today, conclusion, skewness, roots level, Curtis is also similar, roots level, compiling all the techniques together and all techniques, how the behaving happens. Okay. Still, that is a central tendency, dispersions, and 5 number summary only. With the help of these 3 key points, you can make wonders. Okay. So thank you. Thank you very much. Tomorrow, I'm focusing on, today is a practical with explanation. Tomorrow, I'm focusing on complete standard deviations, means, a central tendency, and 5 numbers. Technically, I will finish it. One more case study already.
Can we install Rattle and try it also?
Yes. Please try to install Rattle yourself. If it's not possible, tomorrow class I will let you know.
Okay.
Tomorrow I will explain. Because there is a process.
Rattle is a freeway, right?
Yeah, freeway.
And for the Rattle, we need
Ratel is working on the R. Python is different on Quanta platform.
On which version of R?
Later, go for the latest version 4.03.
R 4.03.
Yes.
But on the freeware, it is not available. It is all the paid software, right?
No. This is R is a free software.
Okay.
R is absolutely free software. So simply come to here, install the package, select the server, and identify Ratel. Ratel. Okay. So in ISB they are teaching Ratel. In IIM Bangalore they are teaching Ratel. IIM Calcutta they started Ratel. But institute people slowly, maybe after 6 months or next year, they will introduce Ratel. First, they will finish the project in Ratel. Then they will explain one by one. Okay, one is a smart work, another one is hard work. That's it. So please try to install the Ratel. And it's a pure data mining and machine learning data science. Clearly, it's said a data science tool.
Just one small question.
Please.
While developing a model, so let's say like we have crores of records.
Right.
Okay. So we will just take a sample data out of that and build a model and deploy it to the complete data set, or we will take the complete data set for building the model.
No. It's a sample data you are picking. That's why we are saying it's a SEMMA technique.
Okay.
Because the population data, you can't take it. Example, Amazon server is going on. Is it possible to take a total population data?
No.
We're taking a total population data by 918 at right now. By 920, some more data is adding.
Yes.
Example, if you go for the hospital, doctor is taking your blood sample, not for the total body blood.
Okay.
If I'm sucking your total body blood, what I can analyze? Nothing. Already data is there. Summarization is enough. But you're unable to handle the much of TB data. You take a sample from the population, you see how the population is behaving based on the sample. The scientist is working on the sample data. The big data analyst is working on the large data. The big data analyst doesn't know the modelings because visualization is enough. The scientists need to model to finding what happens in the population data.
Okay.
Chiranjeevi Blood Bank is a big data. Apollo Hospital is a data science. They're sucking your latest blood, but they're taking 1 ml blood. The 1 ml blood behaving, the 1 ml blood is predicting how your 7 liters blood is behaving. That is scientific rules. So always data scientist is working on the small data. Deployments you're doing on the large data. When after doing your experiments. Right, Mrutyunjay?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So thank you so much. So I'm expecting questions from you. Please raise some questions, wanted questions or unwanted questions, at least tomorrow class. So there is 2 points. If the person is raising a keep on questions, wantedly is asking. If he's not asking any questions, he's not doing practice. Both are dangerous. Okay, please raise a questions. At least you can understand whether I can understand what practice you're doing. If you're doing practice, keep on. Amazing solutions you can find out. Okay, so thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Thank you very much.